let's talk about Shiba Inu again. As you can see, I'm not in my car anymore. I'm recording from my actual home, which is great because it was a pain. So in this video, we'll talk about Shiba Inu. There's a lot of things that we need to cover when it comes to our beloved Shiba Inu dog. And basically, the main question that we want to ask and answer is, what now? What happens now? From the chart that we're seeing right now, and we'll go over that, all the news, so the sentiment, market sentiment around Shiba Inu for the day. But before we start, make sure you like, subscribe. I'm no financial advisor. I'm a random dude on the internet. If you want to buy Shiba Inu and support the channel, use my link in the description down below to sign up for Binance and trade with the lowest fees. And if you want to trade with the highest leverage and lowest fees, use Bybit. There's a special bonus waiting for you in the description down below there. So Shiba Inu, we have a lot to say, and pretty much warned you guys that the Shiba, when shibaswap came out, we will have a sell-off. And as soon as it came out, we just had a sell-off. Yes, it is true that Bitcoin's price in correlation with it was one of the reasons why we're seeing this massive dip. If we actually just zoom out a little bit and go on the 30-minute chart, I want to show you something right here. So this was where was it? Can we see it yet? So maybe it should be somewhere around here. Okay, so can you see it on the left side as well? Yes, there is some correlation, but this high wasn't correlated. It was just people buying the news, where you gotta buy the rumor, sell the news. As soon as shibaswap was announced, we had a massive sell-off. Currently, I believe we are at a great buy price, and I'll tell you why, and you will see that very soon. That's just my opinion. First of all, we're waiting for eToro, and I already made a video on it yesterday. Let me see if it loads. I haven't loaded this for a while. Let me just close one of the tokens that I sold. I don't need the notifications from it anymore. I'm following him. So yesterday I made this video, Shiba Inu coin news to the eToro listing, and yep, they're teasing us. If we go to the eToro's Twitter, you can see something very interesting. They're teasing us a lot. Let me show you just some examples. And this is one of the reasons why I believe Shiba Inu will go up tremendously. I'll find you and I will. Okay. Nobody has asked. Can we ask how? Nobody has asked. Shiba Inu. Actually, no idea what he's saying here. Very original. There was a 4-letter word that they mentioned yesterday. I'll find it in a little bit. Here it is. Let's put it one letter at a time. 4 letters. It's Shiba Inu. If you look it up, they're gonna add Shiba Inu, I think, but they're just teasing us. They already confirmed it pretty much in the tweets. They did went through a rabbit hole of tweets. Here it is. More. They're just teasing us for a while, and we'll have a massive pump at that time. And currently Shiba Inu is at the buy zone, basically. Every time it crashed to this rate, whales kept on buying and they sold at the highs, and this is normal. And if you also compare it with, just basic MACD analysis, you have lower SI, then a confirmation on the 4-hour chart. You can see this, the fast line crossing this lower line, which is always a really good buy signal. And after that, we went up. Same here, lower SI. So it's pretty much happening again. This time we had this signal a few times and nothing happened. So I do believe we'll have a very strong rise from this rate. And I do believe we can actually get a substantial, like 30-40% on the price from this point. And this is how the community is feeling about it. If we actually go my channel, I actually do a lot of posts to see how you feel about different updates. By the way, I'm buying a lot of RBT right now. See warning, yeah. And then did I actually do that? Yeah, Shiba Inu on Ether of 578 volts, massive. Everyone said massive. 22 likes, but like my own post. So yeah, the warning was about scammers. By the way, there's a lot of scammers right now. Actually, go on the SHIB Reddit daily discussion. If you're using shibaswap and providing liquidity, read this post. New pairs will be added today in a couple of hours. That was a few days ago. Don't sell after getting your rewards. I truly believe we are in the beginning of a big crypto. I'd rather lose my investment than live with a regret later on. Listen, Shiba Army, the war is already coming out. That's actually an important post. At the beginning, I didn't really realize those busy freighter scamming riders are such boring. Let me just check something on my computer real quick. Yeah, are such boring. What? Today found that there are so many scammers post comments about Shiba pumped out on Twitter. Then I started to find a serious business. Our war's already coming. Shiba Inu has been proven to be undefeatable in the cryptocurrency market. So all the other cryptocurrencies are probably seeing Shiba Inu as their same enemy. That's interesting. Only the sky is our limit. Let's combine, unite probably. And yeah, people really pumped up. Okay, let's just upvote this. I think as of today, the ShibaSwap dev team needs a hearty congratulations, and not only delivering on their promises but exceeding them. We can only hope the returns bring in more growth from new investors. We can relax in knowing we came in on the ground floor. Yeah, I think they do deserve congratulations. They've done a lot of things you can do every day to boost your ship. Yeah, that's actually interesting. When you Google search more and do Twitter, you actually go on trending apps, just like the chain app, which basically monitors Twitter search volume and also Google Trends. So when you type in Google a lot of about Shiba Inu, you get this, right? More, and also you have a breakthrough like this, but that was obviously when Shiba Inu was massive. Now it's a little bit slowed down considerably. Spotlight, when people do that, we go near the top. Inu is a bot. I'm definitely sure on that, but don't sue me, bro. I have information on the whole video, and this was proven to be true so many times. It just is dumping very hard right now. It's not actually a project that I'm interested in. You can see it in a video on my channel actually a long time ago. But yeah, we're definitely right now is a buy signal, and in a few days from now we'll look at this and I'll tell you guys, I told you so. This is a really good entry, and some of you will be able to buy, some of you won't, but I'm here to serve you guys and girls. I'm no financial advisors. I'm just a random dude looking at charts, looking at data, trying to analyze it a little bit better than everyone else. See you next video. Bye, boys and girls.